What this mean? I don't even know how to feel right now. Like, hey, bro, it's a good day, but I don't know, bro. Like, oh, that bitch say 2 lines.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's intro is going to be a little quick because I have to hurry up and record this. So I never did a video like this on my channel, but today is going to be the day. Y'all, I am about to prank my boyfriend. Hopefully I can do this prank quick and easy, but I'm gonna just show you guys what I got really quick. I know, as y'all can tell by the title, your girl is gonna be saying that she's pregnant. FYI, y'all, I'm not pregnant. So I just wanted to get this prank off like really quick. I wanted to real quick just to show y'all the pregnancy test that I got or whatever. So I ordered from Amazon, of course, and it supposedly looks like the real thing. So hopefully it does. I'm standing by the window so I can see when he pulls up. Mind y'all, I'm at his house, so yeah, I'm trying to make this quick. I text him also. I was like, can we eat in the car? He went to run to I think either a dollar store to get like combs and stuff for him, and he went to get us some food. So I was literally just knocked out a couple of minutes ago, y'all. I was like, wait, like, I gotta do this prank before we like both go our separate ways. So y'all, do y'all see this? Yo, it looks so real. Hold on. I'm glad on here it doesn't say anything about being fake. So I'm gonna open it and see, y'all. Y'all can see. This is literally where it came from. I'm gonna leave it on the screen exactly where I got it from and in the description box if y'all want to do this prank. But we're gonna open it. And let me run to see. So I want to see. I think it works like a real pregnancy test. I think I gotta dip it in some water. Okay, so let me go do this really quick because I still gotta wait 3 to 5 minutes for it to show up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the stuff on it for 3 to 5 minutes or whatever. And then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put it in my shirt. So if we either come back in the room, I'll set the camera up somewhere, or if we go eat in a car, like do a mukbang, then I'll do it that way. But other than that, I will check back in with you guys. So y'all, Bae has fell for it. He said we could eat in a car and do like a mini mukbang or whatever. Now, I just put some water on this test. Freaking water. Do y'all see that? I'm pregnant. I'm trying to prank. I'm be like, how am I gonna say it to him? Like, do I need to text him now and be like, we need to talk? I'm like, and we need to talk. Maybe I should say that, and we need to talk. Like, it's that time of the month, but I've been having to try to play it off like I'm not cramping for real and I'm not hurting, because he knows me at this point. He know what time it is. So I really had to like play this off the last couple days because your girl was like really cramping. I was like, bro, I want to do this prank so bad. So I just been like, yeah, I'm cramping, but you know, nothing's really here yet, so I don't know what's going on. So hopefully this throws him off. Y'all, this is like a real pregnancy test, like it really do. And he's a guy, he don't know, he don't have to take this, so he don't really know. I told one of my best friends, so Chelsea, you know what's going on, girl. It's faint, but they still 2 lines, so I'm glad this box came with 2. Go take another one. You only took 1. I'm like, okay, I'll go take another one. I'm pregnant. He's going to, he might flip out. I'm curious to see his reaction. So when he get here, y'all, we're gonna do that. We're gonna go out to the car, and yeah, I will catch you guys in the car. Change of plans, because this man freaking came inside because of the pollen. Bae has bad allergies, so whatever. So basically, I just tried to make it seem like, dang, like I really wanted to sit in the car, blah, blah, blah. We didn't get into it, like, because I'm not really stunting it, because I know what I'm trying to do. But yeah, so I was like, well, I'm finna go outside, because like, I wanted to do what I wanted to do. Like, I wanted to vlog, I wanted to make a video, sit in the car, da, 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 da. What I'm finna do now, I'm finna tell him, like, bro, we need to talk. Because I went inside, I went to get my keys in my bag and everything. I went to get my keys in my bag and everything, so I'm finna be like, we need to talk. Because at first I wasn't gonna do him like that, but now since he wanna come in there all with attitude because he wanna sit down and because of the pollen, now I'm really finna get that ass. So I'm gonna text him and say that we need to talk. I'm gonna leave it on the screen. And then hopefully he come outside. I'm make it like I'm vlogging the good news. So yeah. I don't know how I'm finna do this. Like, he is probably so mad at me, y'all. I'm waiting on him to come. I'm trying to make it seem like I'm sad. Oh, he coming. Y'all, I'm so goofy, like. He didn't brought his food. I'll tell you stuff. I'm about to move his stuff out the way. Ain't your food? No.
I really don't care. What? What? Like, you the one that be wanting to start stuff and then... I'm not mad. That was just pointless. Like, nigga got you food. Just eat. Like, nigga know you hungry. Like, nigga just woke up. It's 12 o'clock. Like, I know niggas hungry. And you worry about eating outside. Like, nigga, eat the food. Like, come on, bro. What shit is fake? You already said you on your period.
I didn't say I was on my
You
period.
did.
No, I didn't. When did I tell you that? I said I was cramping, but it haven't started yet.
What this mean?
What you mean?
I don't know what this mean, bro.
You want to see something? I don't know.
Man, that line look faded. It looked like 1.5 lines to me. Let me stop playing. But then you serious for real? Chelsea ass, bruh. She should have never said nothing. Just nah, bruh. Cause you still recording.
I'm recording for a reason. Like, that's why I wanted to record. Like, I went to go use the bathroom. Cramping and get there.
I don't even know how to feel right now. Like, it's like, nigga, like, yes, but nigga, like, damn, nigga, gotta spend more money. Hey, dang, bro, it's a good day, but I don't know, bro. Like, you know, we can't do shit. I don't even know what to say, really. So this is not a prank, bro. I feel like you pranking me,
babe. Oh my
when we talked about with pranks, bro.
When? We don't even do pranks on each other.
Dang, no, that's crazy. That bitch said 2 lines. I don't know. We're gonna have to take another one up for real. But I believe it though, but nigga do want to take another one just to make sure. The bitch like over 99% accurate. Nope. So what about that 0.1?
Right.
What about that 1%? I don't know. I don't know what to say. We gotta go see another test so we can make sure. So like, I bet this was going on.
You want me to take it off?
Mm-hmm. But we need to go get this now.
But there's another one in there.
Yeah.
What's in the card? Don't open it.
I'm not. Rapid testing. Yo, this is crazy. Bro, chill, bro. Bro, are you playing?
Can you put it back in the box? Like, this is why I wanted to come outside.
You went find somebody pregnant, bro, and told them, hey, pee on this real quick. It's a prank. I'm just playing, baby. I'm just playing. I mean, that's why y'all has been sensitive for real. I'm like, bruh, ain't no way. When I said it wasn't that deep, it really was that deep. Nigga, like, expired in 2022. So this bitch probably is right, man, but shit. That's wild. We finna be straight. I can't. Damn, now I gotta wait to get the coffee. Oh, I don't even know what to say. I don't know. It could just be. I don't know. Now that bitch said twice though.
I don't think that's probably
That bitch said twice though. I don't know. We gotta go buy another one. Same thing, bruh. Why they can't give us one more year, bruh, at least?
Alright, babe, it's a prank.
Oh, you do play too much. All jokes aside, though. If we talking about from the beginning of this video, you do play too much.
Alright, y'all. So I pranked him. Got him good.
Shit, not funny. Well, let me start cursing.
Yeah, if you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up.
Don't buy this for $10.
Alright, y'all. We're gonna see y'all in another video.
I'm gonna have a different do-rag on like the next 5 seconds. Let me go get another one.